Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to share 3 airdrops with you. From that airdrops you can earn up to $100. So I request you to watch this video carefully till end and don't skip this video at any point. So first of all links of these airdrops I will give you on Telegram channel. So I will give Telegram channel in description box. So join this Telegram channel because you will get all these airdrop links on this Telegram. So first of all I will go to my first airdrop. So first of all you want to click on first airdrop link, then you will redirect it to your default browser. Then what you want to do, first of all click on this link. So you want to follow them on Twitter, so click on this link. This is first step. Then you will go to your Twitter. So first of all if you don't have any Twitter account, then first of all create new account. So then you want to follow them on Twitter, then you want to go back to your website. So I will follow them on Twitter. So first of all click on follow, then you will automatically follow them. So first of all click on them. You can see 50k followers already they have. So you can predict that this airdrop is very big and this is very huge. So don't miss this video, don't miss this airdrop. So first of all follow them, then go back to your website. So I will follow them, then you want to go back to your website. So second step is join their Telegram channel. So they will give this link on their website. So just click on this and you will redirect it to your Telegram channel. So if you don't have Telegram app, then first of all download and join this. So just go to join button and you want to click on join button. So after that you want to join, then you want to go back to your website. So I will join that. Then you want to click on I am not robot. If you don't click on that, then you will not able to get your airdrop tokens. So when you click on that, then you will get accepted message. So just go back to your website. After that you want to enter all details, just two details you want to fill there. So first of all you want to enter your name and email address. Then you want to click on join beta waitlist now. Okay, so first of all I will put my name. So my name is Bhushan Sona. So just I will put my name. After that you want to enter your email id. So I will already enter. Then you want to click on join button. After that you will get your referral link and you will join their waitlist. So just click on that and you will able to get your omni tokens. So first of all when you click on that you will get this type of page. Just scroll down, you will get more tokens. So I will tell you how you can get more tokens. So you will get your referral link. When you share with them, then you will get 2 tokens. So there are 5 tokens, 5 tasks, extra 5 tasks. So first of all click on that and you will get 5 extra tokens. So you will get 1 referral is equal to 2 omni tokens. So when you complete all tasks, then you will get 20 OMN tokens. So when you refer 25 friends, then you will get 50 OMN tokens. So just like this, when you complete all this, then you will able to claim these tokens. So but you don't want to refer any friend. If you can refer, then you can refer, but if you cannot refer, then there is no there is no any necessary. So first of all go to upper side, then you want to complete all these tasks. So I will complete all this task. You will get 2 OMN tokens for every refer. So you can see this leaderboard. If you refer more friends, then you can see your name in this list, but you don't want to see you in this list. First of all complete all these tasks. Just follow them on Facebook. Then you want to share their tweet on Twitter. Then you want to click on LinkedIn. After that you want to complete WhatsApp task. Then you want to complete Facebook. So I will move towards my second airdrop. So second airdrop, how to participate. First of all copy your BSC address, then paste on this. After that you will see your my or any other referral ID. Just click on submit, then you will get this type of. So for sign up you will get 10 EAO tokens. So and when you refer any friend, then you will get 10 EAO tokens. So you can withdraw these EAO tokens once you reach 100 EAO tokens, and you can sell on any when these tokens will list on many big exchange. So this is very big airdrop. You can get up to $100 profit from this. So first of all, I will give all these links on my Telegram channel. So if you are enjoying this video, then must to must subscribe to our channel, because I will share more airdrops or more profitable tricks and tips for you. So I will move towards my third airdrop. I will give this link on my Telegram channel. So first of all, copy this link. Then you want to go on your trust wallet account. So first of all, you want BNB paste to pay, because this is claim airdrop. So first of all, click on deb browser. Then you want to paste your link. So I will give link on my Telegram channel. Then you want to select smart chain. Then you want to connect your browser. So first of all, just loading this. Then you will get this type of window. So just load this page fully, then you will get this type of window. So first of all, click on claim airdrop. Then you want to connect your browser. So just click on connect and you will get this type of page. Then you want to click on claim button. Then you want to pay some BNB gas fees. So just click on that and you will get this type of page. Then you want to pay $0.16, because but after that, when this tokens list on a big exchange, then their price can go on $50. So this is very high. So just click on cut button. Then you want to go to your wallet section. Then I will give all these links, add custom token. Then you want to select smart chain. Then you want to paste contract address, and I will give all these things on my Telegram channel. So just copy and paste on that page. Then you can add these tokens on your trust wallet. So first of all, copy that name. Then you want to paste. Then you want to select cat symbol. Then you want to enter 18 decimals. Then you want to click on done button. Then you will get this type of page and see you have received 50 cat tokens. So these 50 cat tokens can become in $50. So this is very big. Just claim these tokens and hold, and forget that you have claimed these tokens. I will give all these updates on my Telegram channel. Just go and join. So I will meet you in next video. Bye bye.